Sorry guys, my SD card got full, had to delete a few videos, but yes, you guys can email the Perth Mint with your design and they will sort out payment, Visa, PayPal, etc, whatever, electronic banking stuff. So you guys over in the States or wherever you may be, you can do this. I'll get a couple of their cards for the medallion shop, and yeah, you guys can take it from there. I'll explain in a video later when I get home. I'm telling you, STG, that's looking really, really good. It's very fine work, mate. Seriously, your logo really needs a 2-ounce coin. And of course it comes with a COA in a pretty little box, and I'll endeavour to get this sent out. Yeah, I've got a little girl here showing me her money. She's got gold in her hands. You got to keep them, the keepsake. Oh, oh no. So I won't do a video on his coin. I'll let him do that, but because I can't email this video, the files are too big. So I'll whack up a video of his coin being made. I'll endeavour to try to get it sent out in the mail today, if possible.
It's a very intricate design, isn't it?
Get your money's worth.
Oh yeah, it's very intricate. Like I said, I think he really needs a 2-ounce coin to get all that in there. Well, that's it. Perth Mint's just become Channel Round City now. It's getting close, mate. And by the way, people, this does not remove any metal. It compresses the metal. As you can see, there's no shavings, no nothing.
Yeah, I'll give it that sometimes. Just this sort of like back and forth right there. Sometimes we'll...
No, I'm sure they'll understand that. The super fine
honestly, and the thing is, it doesn't fly off the medallion, so we put it in the case, and the worst thing is that you might see the case have some sparkle on it, but it's really such a tiny amount.
That it wouldn't even register anyway.
Exactly.
Can you pass me the tokens?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Probably don't want to trust any shelves to hold them up. Eh?
Oh, by the way, STG, I gave Paul one of your channel slaps, mate. Alright.
You were just a young boy when you came last time. Yeah. Yeah, were they in the same spot we were? Because I came in 2005. I don't remember where these were. nearly be done.
It'll find a box anyway.
Spell check.
Yeah, that's the last one. Okay, so I'll put this in there.
Yeah.
And then we'll get it. We'll get like 1200.
Might be getting you just take you down to the other end and we'll get that correct. That's the same discussion board.
No, I think everyone's
Wow, mate, that looks really, really cool. It's got super fine detail, mate, so Paul went upstairs and did some work on a bigger computer to try and fix it up.
Are they still over here? You got ran out of paper. Thank you.
And where are you from? Where are you from?
Singapore. She buying any today? She saved up? Maybe a very small one. Thank you.
What language do you speak?
Yes, me again. You take it in turns then? Yeah, we'll do it, yeah. I don't know what to talk.
He gets a break.
Once again.
Nearly.
It's doing a good job. Like I said, I think it really needs a 2-ounce coin, but hey,
We don't do a 2-ounce, unfortunately.
he wants to get it in a solid gold one later, and I said, mate, I can't afford that at the moment. So he can email you guys.
Solid gold's a bit more of a process, but
Oh, hence his name, Stuff That Gold. whatever happens if one stuffs up?
Well, luckily we've got a gold and silver refinery we can send it back to.
I was going to say, obviously, but I thought, somebody's bound to ask that question,
Sometimes they'll spin around in the mount if there's just a minor variance in the size or something like that. It doesn't usually happen with the silver ones, but just the base metal ones can do that.
Alley brights are a bit slippery.
Sorry?
Alley bronze, a bit slippery.
I think it's just also the manufacturing tolerances or something that they don't always come out quite the same size. Or they don't have the gold plating on them, so they're that little bit thinner. But silver's usually fine, but sometimes we get the date wrong or something. That's why we double check and triple check that you're happy with the design, but even then sometimes you have something sneak through.
Just imagine having to do this by hand. Be there
I make that joke sometimes. I say if I had to do it by hand, you'd be getting a different type of unique personal medallion.
Yeah, all belted with a hammer. I've had enough of this.
I keep suggesting that we have our own mint marks to hammer onto our gold bar, but I don't think that's made it too far through the suggestion.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
Like, because of the stacking channel, I've got a few people that do their home pours and that, and they've all got their own stamps and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll just get a 10-ounce bar from somewhere and just melt it down and pour their own stuff.
I didn't hear the end of it, but I was out the front one day when a guy came in and he said he had close to half a kilo of a silver bar that he'd bought as part of a jewellery making course. But he'd done the course and now had half the bar left, and I thought, well, I'm not sure if they'll take that back. At least not for the sort of bullion value, because it's that's the whole point of the...
Someone like Swan Bullion probably would take it.
Or I'm sure something like the refinery would take it.
They'd probably take it at scrap value price. So.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Because you've lost all the stampings and...
Yeah. Maybe they just need to see a detailed record of what you bought and what you've ended up with. I feel like it should be just about done.
Yeah,
it's done all the infill and now it's doing the final sort of outlines.
It's nearly there.
Spoke too soon.
It's got to be getting close.
Yeah.
20 minutes later. Oh, it's got to be getting close. As we're standing here as skeletons.
And the computer's turned off.
The computer's had enough. A lot quieter today. I noticed that the tours are a lot smaller.
I moved it up there, so usually I increase the program. Just if you like. It's hard to predict what the tours will be like. Sometimes it's the weather, sometimes it's cruise ships coming through, sometimes it's...
The best days I've worked out, it's probably really pissy and the shittiest day out.
Sometimes they end up a lot busier, but it's a bit of a catch-22 because we like to start out the front. So if we have to come straight into the coin room, you end up standing around that for half an hour, and it just doesn't... It's good to have that sort of movement. I say to people, imagine it's a much sunnier day and we're out the front. I'm sure you saw the building. I'm sure you saw the statue.
I saw some of the comments with the big girl through the window there. Oh, imagine that as everyday carry. Dragging it behind your truck on the chain. They like the idea that its weight is its own security.
Biggest security feature, weighs a ton. don't mention quite as often is, to an extent, the floorboards around it.
Yeah, cracked.
Yep.
The girl I did the tour yesterday, she mentioned that, broke every.
You went on the... No,
What's
you
the
went on
name?
Amelie,
Amelie?
the
Yeah.
short one.
Hey, come over here.
Geez, STG, I think you're going to melt this machine, mate.
On behalf of the Perth men, the Western
We're
Australian
close
government,
enough now,
because you did a fantastic job, it's my honour and privilege to present you with this 99.99% pure gold coloured plastic medallion. There you go, that's yours.
How sweet.
Mummy and Daddy deserve one as
We
well.
have fun.
One for Mummy and Daddy.
She was really interested in this, doing this.
Yeah.
She showed a big interest in it.
There you go.
Definitely spoke too soon 2 minutes ago.
Yeah. Watching the timer, are we?
You know, you can
4
even see it
minutes
though.
ago.
It doesn't look like there's much more that it can draw at this point. Yeah, all of these little dots and lines.
Hey, Paul,
Hello.
what else do we have here?
Good question.
These cars, labels,
The cards were on the left.
Yeah,
half, I believe that's
yeah, you learn. Is it only forms we use?
No, I think it's just a bit of memory game, isn't it?
I did have them all stacked in the water.
Yeah.
Then Not only they moved, they pulled all these out as well.
I think some of them just fell out and I was conscious of trying to keep hold of them.
You know, we've got to pack it down there.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't died, you know.
Well, it's definitely got the wording looking really good, and I've got bad eyes. No, it's good. It's going into the finer details now.
Just one August 2023,
Yeah.
and then you wanted something written here, possibly? Okay. Yes, of course you can. That's up to you.
Even the machine's going. Is it smoko yet?
It just punches in. Yes. Oh, yeah, yeah. No, I can take over if you want. Yeah.
That's up here. And then we have the different sizes.
certainly look like your mum.
Sorry, but I do need to get to that cupboard that's by your feet. Thank you.
No worries, Maddie. Move.
Using the little boom box, eh?
Yeah.
That's the job.
I use this one at Aqua sometimes.
Ah, yeah, right. Yeah, to that. Yeah. How's that looking? Oh, yeah. Happy with that? Yeah. Yeah. That's going on the koala. Sorry.
Yeah, you're okay, mate.
Yep. Okay. Just, so that one goes in this machine here. That just fits it. Whereas these are personalised ones. No, not a colour picture, not like that one. We do have the koala on the hard mount, that's on the reverse. But what we end up with is all these engravings. So we'll have a koala like that. You can see what they look like there though, but we don't have the sort of napping koala, and it'll engrave like that, so no colour. There are double-sided ones, yeah. So
You can have a look.
double-sided black if you did want to.
Oh, it's doing the little silver bit.
Or a lot of them have one thing on there already.
It's drawing
and
that.
you just pick one side.
Wow, that's impressive.
A lot of detail in this one.
Yeah. So you choose which one goes on it, do you? You choose which one goes on it.
Remember.
The centerpiece. You choose that, or there's only one design.
No, I chose it. I bought in a friend's sticker.
Good.
So here we do personalized engraving. So you can buy a medallion, you can engrave different kinds of designs or maybe
Just give me 2 empty boxes.
so these ones are
I'll just give you one. I'll just give you one.
Those in there, but there is a sponsor.
Put a few over there for anyone wants to pick up. I'm not sure if there's any more upstairs. Works both. Works fine.
I'll put this one over to the side for now, and
You can make a decision. I think that's all.
that's all.
Yeah.
No worries.
Thanks.
I don't remember the exact number. George, how much heat does a crucible say? How much heat does a crucible?
1,600 feet. 1,000. The gold's melting point is 1,063.7.
That one.
And your home oven is about 220 to 250. So it's not going to melt in. And our furnace is running at 1,200 degrees. So it's just above the gold melting point.
Three, two, one. I think the dud tray is not the dud tray, it's the empty tray.
And then we put the trays in here.
I was wrong 10 minutes ago, wasn't I?
They both were.
How long does this one take?
We're,
Half an hour?
Been more than that.
we're gonna need an old age pension, mate.
I feel like there's an upper limit to Ah, how did I know? Right, so you had one marsupial sand. Well, I did actually
Yes,
work on
the
that.
year was 1899. That one was her.
Yeah, we did an assessment.
I was going to ask you if you like that and
It did. Extract it from paper. Those ones are all sorted. Bag. I might be on to the next one, so I'll do what I can now and oh, that's good. Must already be gone. Okay. That's the test run, so again we have next after I did a bit of work, I sort of took out the background, did the shading on the blinds. The big one that you've got months ago, this one's aluminium bronze.
Lots of detail,
I'll
guys.
grab you a
Lots of detail.
Yes, so these are one ounce of silver gold plated. This is 1 ounce of silver, and these are half an ounce.
the other one, and so there's a single side and $33 for the gold plated base metal. There is half an ounce of silver, 66, and then I've got the last one, 99 silver.
28.
Silver, yeah. Oh, it does, the artwork you have, it doesn't matter. I'll bring it up, just give me 1 second, please.
Yeah, I know that these are a bit more expensive than
Yeah, that's my way.
Yep, so I don't think we have this one. We have this one. Oh, yeah. So we have this koala, and then we have some koala designs on the computer. You want me to show you?
So yeah, that's like an artwork in and of itself. Definitely one side, two sides. Yep. Just as its own thing with the swan on the reverse, or with the other.
Usually it takes from 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on the design a little bit. I'll just
So those will be half ounces. Yeah. 3 of those. And for yourself, like, no worries. What I might do is get the lines up because that'll take some time. Yeah. So while it's going.
we have this koala. We have this one apparently doesn't work. And then we do have some already in our template. So we have this one,
You want to get an idea of
and then we have, I think the other one is the same as I showed you, but it's just saying orange.
That's it. Yeah.
Yep. So these should be the same as the ones in the
Yeah, it's a few things like
Ah, yeah, yeah. So
install it, you've got stuff around
Yep.
here.
And so here was today's date.
Yep.
This was one side. The other side would be the map.
Yep.
That replace the family
Yep.
name to my name.
Yep. So if you want to just write that down for me, and you want to choose a coin, then you have different prices. These are aluminum bronze. The bottom one is aluminum bronze, the top one is gold plate, and then you change your half an ounce silver, full ounce silver, just up one, and gold plate. Okay? Yep, the gold plate one is the double sided, so that you can put this plate. Alright, and then if you do it right, maybe I'll just on one side and on the other, and I can open
And maybe do something like this.
So it comes included in the price. Yeah.
Guess it was a bit too conservative when we started.
Very.
Honestly,
40
I'm a bit
minutes.
surprised at this point.
40
I don't
minutes.
think it was
He's
double
getting
up
his
on
money's worth, I'll tell you.
Getting his money's worth.
So I think that one holds the record at this stage.
I think we're right about near the hour mark.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we'll take the
I'll get your spell check before I do anything.
Which big? If they can go with the Thailand stuff. Yeah, if you can. Yeah, makes sense. With the emergency, yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to do it. And then this is going to do new cats. Yeah, more March and then new frames.
We don't want to get many trades. We don't want to have many trades.
Do you want that first piece again?
Yeah. Yeah, it has yeah, exactly what we're using. And we're not. No, thank you so much. Not just this, but when you unpack it as well. Just good job.
Now we do another one of these shoots.
Another one. Oh yeah. We were out of date.
Got to be able to get a kangaroo in there,
We do have a kangaroo too.
isn't there? He hasn't put a kangaroo in there.
Do you want a kangaroo in there? We also have little quokkas and crocodiles and all kinds of stuff.
No, they might look good. What I might do is also maybe have not that or I want to go for a trade land.
directly sent to the market right around there. Sitting on top of that. If there's anything else that you want there, we can think about that, or we can do
Thank you.
I have to think about it now.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Hey,
It's like you've done this before. Yeah. All right. Do you have this? Okay.
did you want the whole one above the tail? Yeah, I'll do it the same way rather than which we can do, but I think it's worth that.
Yeah. You can just also move it so that it's in the center. So something like that.
Put the given name and the family name on the same line.
Yep.
It'd probably be better saying travelling.
Yeah. Give me a second.
I think travelling would be better than driving.
Okay.
Yay! Finally!
Thank you.
Finally!
Words like that, however many.
Give me 1 second, I'll come and grab that one out.
No, that's your last.